From here to there, I'm Professor Solo. Line-based placement is powerful, but it forces us to think in measurements, and the syntax readability? Yikes! Grid template areas let us think in regions instead. We describe the layout as a set of named zones, and components attach themselves to those zones, not to line numbers. This makes layout code easier to read, easier to change, and way less brittle when designs evolve. T.A. Watts, take us to the lab and show us how named areas reshape layout authoring.
So let's talk about building layouts with CSS Grid using line numbers.
Sure, they're super precise. You can nail down exactly where everything goes. But wow, that code can get really gross, really fast. It's a mess. There's a much better way. Think of your layout like a blueprint, using named areas.
You literally just draw the shape of your layout right there in the CSS. Yeah, those strings you write, that's the map for your entire page. So your components stop chasing numbers around. They just claim their spot on the map. And if you want an empty space, just pop a dot in there. Simple. Now check this out. We've got the same HTML, but two completely different blueprints. Just swap the blueprint and bam, the entire layout rewrites itself. No HTML touched. Why do this? For one, your code becomes incredibly readable and so much easier to refactor. And best of all, it's way less fragile than that tangled up line number spaghetti. So remember this, when it comes to layout, blueprints always be coordinates.
Line number pasta is the past. Template areas don't change how grid works. They change how clearly we express our layout intent. When structure matters more than coordinates, this is the right tool to use. Next, we'll use grid template areas to make our layouts responsive easily. Same components, different structure. And for the complete CSS grid picture, the full-length grid explainer is coming soon on the WebDevTnT channel. P.S. Keep learning.